Hey, hi, welcome everyone. So this is, of course, a more of a spontaneous live, and we're just coming. Of course, it's a year end. We're almost everybody's ticking off their agendas on what they're supposed to do, and it was a busy working day for us. But we said that we have to do a live, and we have to come and show you some pieces, which are basically florals, which work irrespective of how and when and in what way you want to wear it. So कुछ ही fabrics हैं जो हम आपको दिखाएंगे. There is very interesting. It's tussar printed, but there is also tussar munga, which has weave. Both floral designs, both very different to each other, but yeah, they're there, and also one nice look of cotton jacquard. So I think in total there are like 6, 7, and then another 7, 14, 15 sets that we're showing you. That is all that there is today, and of course lots and lots of lovely pieces in the last few days coming up in the on the page itself, so which you can definitely kind of check it out. And yeah, as I said, I mean, it was just so quick that I didn't even change. We just had a working day. Now what are we really doing is, at this end of the year, is always a lot about 2025. We are very, very excited about it. It's all about the boring, the excels and the plannings, and that's what it is all about. But anyways, making my day a bit brighter is here, for me to just be here, show you these beautiful pieces. I mean, that's always a high point. Now look at this. I think this is such a fabulous tussar silk fabric, and you can see the beautiful colors it's been printed with. And we are going to be showing you lots of options that you can do and go for. These are 4,200 per meter, pure tussar. Now a kota silk dupatta is really a right mix. It's 3,600. It works very well. You'll see as a look. So if you're going to go for 2.5 plus, a dupatta like this, I will also give you the mats on what is the mats for this. So yeah, these are great looks. Now for bottom, आप क्या करेंगे? One is that you can wear any nice contrasting bottom with it. That is possible, and you can also go for 2.5 plus dupatta. Yeah. So 14,100, that's the price. So look at this lovely, lovely print, and I think what's so nice about it is this shade of green, which kind of shows, and you can see this, and so beautiful, so floral, but in a very different way. And this is more multi. Now you say, yaar, mujhe iske sath orange dupatta chahiye, sure, we can do that. So great pieces to kind of pick, where you can even do a jacket with this style. It's a jacket that I don't know, I picked it up in Florence. It's just a nice floral pattern. I think it would look amazing even if you go for a jacket style with this. What would you wear inside? I think a chinia silk looks really good. In contrast, probably you have something already with you, jiske upar you want to wear it as a jacket. Now other thing which looks very nice is, of course, a kurta. That is one with a plain chinia bottom. The third is, which is, of course, for me, it's always the best way. I prefer my bottom and kurta to be same on same. Now for a very easy reason, because there is no thinking involved, and even styling factor. Like if you do a jacket and all, you need to get the inner right and the whole look, and but when you're doing a same on same, minimal effort and maximum look, that is what you're getting at. And such nice different sort of ideas which can be kind of done. But same on same in a straight fit and slightly our rose silhouette, that's the signature of one of our silhouettes. And now look at this one. This is slightly spread out. So you say, I don't want something really busy, I want a little spread out look, then this is also very nice. And look at this. So that's the one. Now with this one, I've gone for a hotter look. I like this look, and it's really wonderful. I do have some more colors to which I'm going to come at the end of it. Now before that, I want to show you something which is really different. Is this what is different about it? I'll just show it to you. This is our cotton jacquard fabric. It's 2250 per meter, and you can see now these again work wonderful for a same on same. बहुत सुंदर लगता है. Look at that. And it also looks very nice with a plain bottom, so you can go for either of the two. Now what we also have done is we have designed a very light wearable dupatta along with it in the same fabric. Okay, because some of you say you love this look, this fabric and would like to wear it, you know, for a little different kind of. So what we did, we designed this beautiful dupatta with it. It's very simple, just some detailings. The fabric is such that it will flow very well. तो बहुत सुंदर है. Now, of course, you can do a same on same, the same design, but what we've done is we have chosen a different design to go along with it, and that's the look. And I think it will look really cool to wear a mix of two designs. The bottom can either be this or it can be this, and you can in fact use a bit of this design to you know, at the end of your border and give this kind of detailing. But it's really cool, very pretty. Wear it with even a plain color suit, and yes, it's dyeable, so that's the good thing. You can just dye it and go for it. The price of the dupatta you need to check with us ki kya hai. Acha, now I have one more florals which I'm going to go get into, which is tussar, which is what I was saying ki we are doing tussars in two kinds. These are tussar munga weaves. Look at this beautiful fabric. The tussar printed 4,200 per meter. These are 8,800 per meter. This is of course very, I mean, of course the base fabric remains the same, but ekdam hi alag look hai. This is super nice. We have an exact silhouette which we kind of recommend with this, so you can go for that silhouette. एक exact इसी मतलब exact मतलब इसी type के fabric के लिए we have done with a plain bottom मूंगा में, and इसकी जो finishing है, you will see it's more rustic, it's more, you know, earthy in comparison to the tussar which are printed. So there we'll do these. So you know, so that's the difference. So इसके लिए we will do you know, we will do munga bottoms for these tussar ones. That is what I would prefer. And for the tussar prints, I would say chinia bottom. So that's one difference, because effect alag hai, same fabric hai, but see, same fabric मतलब gradation A से B, C, D बहुत होते हैं fabrics के, और also the variety and the quality. We do a lot of that in the same. Now this is another option that you have. So this is the second option that you have. Now I'm going to showcase the dupatta right here. Look at that. It's a beautiful dupatta with it. This is Georgette dupatta, and we've done it with the red, and I think it looks very pretty, really brings out the best. All you will need is a plain bottom. If you're looking for slightly more dressier one, then same on same is what you're going to go for. Now those are also dyeable. This has been dyed, and these are, I think this is a 2.5 cut. Now with this one, we've done a very light dupatta. In fact, it's unique. One sec. This is the look. Very nice, very smooth, light look. This is a chanderi dupatta. Now you can see this. That also looks nice. The last one in this kind that we are showcasing. Achha, we have one more, two more in fact. So this one, oh, what a beautiful color. I absolutely love it. बहुत सुंदर है ये color. It's a, I think in this fabric it looks particularly nice, and you can go for this dupatta. Now this is a 7,400 dupatta. Of course, it's a very different league altogether from this, but it's a nice way to kind of pairing it up. It's got silver zari. This has also got silver zari without spending a bomb on the dupatta. But you say that, you know, you want a heavier dupatta. I just need the dupatta. Then I can also do this dupatta. This is a very beautiful dupatta. It's absolutely one of my most favorites in terms of its you know, border that we make. Now look at that. This also looks good. It is the 26,800 dupatta. ये दुपट्टा हम इसको base color में भी कर सकते हैं, but the contrast looks very, very nice. So that's the reason we've done it. And I'm going to give away this one and bring out this last color in this, and this is of course the one that I have worn. It's constantly getting over. Right now we have it. Now मैंने आपको एक orange दुपट्टा दिखाया था, that will look very nice with it, and I had shown you now this one I'm going to show you. Any of these dupattas are going to look really wonderful. Even a pink would be nice. You can ask us. You can go for this, which is matching iska, you know, this, you know, you can see this. So this will look very nice with it. The flower ka color, sare floral ke and petals ke color hai. This also looks nice. In my the picture that I have kind of gotten shot wearing this, I have a green dupatta in Munga, this leaf green, that also looks very good. The pink also looks very nice, and I just this orange only. I just want this orange ones. And you will see that the orange also looks really, oh, look at that, it looks really cool, huh? So the orange. Now this design, I think you'll have to check if it's available. We do have it in Moonga, and you can get this pink done in it. Also all the orange, it'll look fantastic. So that was that on the tussars with weaving. We are back to the last few pieces in these prints, because we still have some of these new prints launching for you now. So much fun, because सब ये नए prints हैं जो आपके लिए हैं, and you know बहुत designs हैं, बहुत ideas हैं कि आप इसको कैसे use करेंगे. Now see what we've done with this is fun, because we've done a shaded kota dupatta with it. See, so of course this is 4,200. These dupattas, you will see the beautiful look of two colors, and it goes perfectly well with it. So these are 4,200. This is 4,200 per meter, and थोड़ा सा वो एक touch add हो जाता है, उससे बहुत सुंदर लगता है. Yet another design. There you go. That's the design. Oh, look at that. So pick up whichever one you like. Very subtle, formal. You make it dressier. You know, some highlighting would really help it. Look at that. It's a perfect look. Okay. Quickly, the last three more that I have with me. This is one. अब इसके साथ. Now this is a very nice combination. In fact, this dupatta you could even wear with the tussar woven ones if you say यार कि मुझे बहुत heavy नहीं चाहिए. Fair enough. You can do these dupattas, because kota में silk होने के वजह से it looks nice with me. Oh, look at that. I love this. It's like a, you know, full daisy. It kind of reminds me of those daisies that you used to read about, you know, in books. So it's a very pretty combination. Very light, very wearable. This season, all season. Very good. It's versatile. So yeah, how are you going to be placing your order? On WhatsApp. And yes, because we have shown you such wonderful pieces already. You know, the jacket, I can't show it here, but yeah, you can ask for it separately. So that's the thing. We have shown you such wonderful pieces all of these days. You know, in videos, some very premium pieces. It's a great idea to quickly go through them. We've not done elaborate lives, given the obvious reason that we're just kind of working around many other things. So, but these are again really nice. This is a spread out one. You know, look at that. Very pretty. Here you go. And in fact, this is a great way of wearing one of these. So, you know, for that reason, yeah, sure, you can ask me. I'll send it to you. And it's a great way to wear these beautiful fabric. Even the tussar woven one as a jacket, it'll look wonderful. And now look at that. Here it is. Ab ye dupatta again. Okay, this is like this. The print's so clean, sometimes you just forget. Okay, now look at that. Here you go. Is it correct now? Yeah? Yeah. Now with this one, we just added a little more fun. We've done a two-tone. Look at these. Seriously pretty. And I think you can, you know, just add some more fun to it, some element. Ye khud mein bhi bahut achhe hain. And I think they would also look really nice with jacquards, these dupattas, in any of the colors. So that's all from us today and for this week. So we're signing off, and hope you're going to, you know, have a great blast. I mean, it's all fun days ahead. So yeah, have a great week and weekend ahead, and I will see you really soon. Yeah, we're going to be a little off the next few days for live. So, but leaving you with the great stuff today and yesterday and day before. So come and place your order, guys. See you. Have a great one. Bye-bye.